I know where I draw inspiration from, but I just feel like I'm bombarded by it all the time. And it's kind of like a cloud, and I can pick and choose from it.
And I think it's okay not to feel inspired to do a particular thing, but if you look at the bigger picture and say, it doesn't matter what I do, it's going to be creative. If I sit and read a book, that's a creative act because I'm being taken away to a mysterious place or wherever it is. So if you look at your life as the whole, and creativity and finding inspiration is something that you can get from anywhere, then I think that's a good place to be.
And what helps for me most is just sit down and do it. So I get my gel plate out and some paint or inks, and I just start gel printing. And when I'm printing, then the ideas start coming. Oh, I could do this. Oh, I could do that. Or I get a nice print and I'm like, oh, I could do this with that. Or, so one thing leads to the other.
I feel a little bit over, like I don't want to play this game anymore. Like if I have something to share, I will share it. But I don't feel like I want to be the super content creator for some social media outlet, because what it does actually is it doesn't let me explore and it doesn't let me play, because I'm constantly thinking about, is that worth sharing? But if I let go of that thought and, if it comes out cool, I might share it. If it doesn't, then, that's fine too. It was worth putting the time in to do something just for myself.
I do need that deadline, but like Amanda says, like sometimes something does happen and there's something you can't fix, that the internet goes out, you break something, you need a new tool. So yeah, I totally have to fake my, on only extreme cases. I try not to make a habit of it, but because then I'll know. But yeah, sometimes I have to.
I would not believe myself if I do that. I mean, I would get to that date in my calendar and I would see it and I would know that I still have a week and I would be like, oh yeah, that's what I said to myself, but it's actually not true. I have another week.
You can't even trust yourself, Birgit.
No.